Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create solid line border to image in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to create solid line border to image. At first, insert an image. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Pictures option. Then choose picture from our file. Now I select this and click insert. Now we want to create solid line to this picture. Click the picture and go to the picture format menu. Click picture borders option and choose any color. Now I select the red color. Then click outside of the picture and we can see we created solid line border to this image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.